So your skin gets really dry in the winter, and so you can moisturize from the inside. So certain foods, fatty foods like avocado that are high in monounsaturated fats, actually help
good fats, good for you fats,
and help moisturize that outer layer of skin, and it's high in vitamin E, which also helps you repair your skin. So your skin can kind of do some of the work itself before you slather up with moisturizer. And so what I love to do is take a seed cracker, which is also full of great fats and vitamin E, put a spoonful of crushed avocado, a sprinkle of sea salt, pepper. I absolutely love hemp seeds. I put these on everything. And then I will put just a tiny drizzle
of olive oil.
And this is the most wonderful snack, super healthy, low glycemic index, and yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, that's all you. I'm stuffed tortilla chips.